In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fast and easy patchwork quilt using fat Ace. This tutorial also works with fat quarters. I'm Katie of Modern Textiles, and I love all things sewing, specifically modern quilts and long arm quilting. First things first, you're going to want to go ahead and grab 28 fat Ace. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Beyond Bella from Moda by Bound Co. The fat eighth bundle from there. There's about, I think, 32 fabrics, so I'll be dropping off a few of them. I'll probably be sticking with a lot of the rainbow colors. But if you want to, you could also pick up 14 of your favorite fat quarters, and the PDF that's available in the show notes is good for either one of those. I'll walk you through the fat Ace, and the fat quarters are written in the instructions that are with the download. First thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and open this up. That's always the fun part of opening up a fat quarter bundle or any type of pre-cut bundle, just to pick out what fabrics you want to use. And then I'm going to want to move on over to my ironing station and iron these pressed flat. After that, I'll come back and I'll meet you here so we can cut these up into the blocks we need. Now that we have all of our fabrics pressed, so these are my 28 fat Ace, nice fun rainbow palette to come from. I'm going to go ahead and trim these down to 9" by 9" squares. So I should get 2 out of each of these fat Ace, and if you're using fat quarters, you can get 4. If for some reason your fat quarter is a little bit smaller, go ahead and just make them 8" by 8" square, and then that way it'll just be a little bit smaller quilt, but nothing to be concerned about. All right, so before I get to sewing, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of lay out, you know, a 4-patch, and this is following the guide I have given you in the downloads and the show notes. And there you have it. A nice collection throw quilt using fat Ace. Love how it turned out. From the pattern, I upscaled it from the 8" squares I had called out to 9". That'll make it just a little bit bigger. The called out size in the pattern is 52.5 inches by 60 inches once it's complete. So this will just bring it up a little bit, and that's, you know, I'm being 6 feet tall. I'm not complaining about bigger quilts. So feel free, download the PDF down below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we learn how to make a floor proof.